Hello friends, welcome to Study Point. I am Kamlesh Bharadwaj presenting to you questions on Mahatma Gandhi and teachings of Mahatma Gandhi part 1, which might be helpful for various competitive exams like HAS, Naib Tahsildar, CFC, Forest Range Officer, Allied Services, Police and Subordinate Board exams. Question 1 is to whom Mahatma Gandhi called his concise keeper? So options are Chakravarti Rajgopalachari, B. Sardar Patel, C. Kasturba Gandhi, D. Deen Bandhu Andrews. So right option is A. Chakravarti Rajgopalachari. Rajgopalachari was last Governor General of India. He also served as leader of Indian National Congress. He founded the Swatantrata Party and was one of the first recipient of India's highest civilian award, that is Bharat Ratna. Question 2. Posterity shall scarcely believe that such a mortal of flesh and bone ever trod this earth. Who has made this observation about Mahatma Gandhi? So options are Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Roman Roland, Albert Einstein or Louis Fisher. So right answer is C. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was German-born theoretical physicist and he developed the theory of relativity. His work is also known for its influence on the philosophy of science. Among the following directive principle which is in consonance with Gandhian philosophy. So A. Equal pay for equal work, B. Empowerment of Gram Panchayat, C. Free legal assistance, D. Separation of judiciary with and executive. So right answer is B. Empowerment of Gram Panchayat. Which phase of Mahatma Gandhi's life is subject matter of widely acclaimed novel Pehla Girmitia? So options are Stay in England, or South Africa Days, Champaran Satyagraha or Civil Disobedience Movement. So right answer is B. South Africa Days. So this is the novel written by Giriraj Kishore on the South Africa days of Mahatma Gandhi and has been honored with Vyas Samman. So question might be asked to which field Vyas Samman is related. So it belongs to literary work. Next question is for which book Mahatma Gandhi adopted the concept of Sarvodaya? Options are A. The Kingdom of God is Within You, B. Unto This Last, C. Srimad Bhagavad Gita and D. Well Done. So option B, Unto This Last is the right option. So Unto This Last is an essay and book on economy by John Ruskin. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi translated Unto This Last into Gujarati in 1908 under the title of Sarvodaya, which means well-being of all. Who refuted the existence of Gandhism during the lifetime of Mahatma Gandhi? Options are Indian Communists, Revolutionaries, Muslim League or Mahatma Gandhi himself. Right answer is Mahatma Gandhi himself. Which plan of British government was rejected by Mahatma Gandhi by terming it as a post-dated check drawn on an insolvent bank? So options are A. Cabinet Mission Plan, B. Montague-Chelmsford Reform, C. Cripps Mission Plan or D. Wavell Plan. So right answer is C. Cripps Mission Plan. So the Cripps Mission was an attempt in late March 1942 by British government to secure full Indian cooperation and support for their efforts in World War II. Mohandas Gandhi opposed the Indian involvement in the bar as he would not morally endorse a bar and also suspect British intentions, believing that the British were not sincere about Indian as inspirations for independence. Next question is to whom Mahatma Gandhi acknowledged as his political mentor? Options are Dadabhai Naroji, B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, C. Madhav Govind Ranade and D. Madan Mohan Malviya. So right answer is B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. So Gokhale was a senior leader of Indian National Congress and founder of Servant of Indian Society. Who was the composer of Mahatma Gandhi's favorite bhajan Vaishnav Jan To Tere Kahiye? So A. Mirabai, B. Narsingh Mehta, C. Jalaram Bapu, D. Kundanika Kapadia. So B is Narsingh Mehta is the right answer. So Narsingh Mehta was also known as Narsi Mehta or Narsi Bhagat, was a poet saint of Gujarat, notable as a Bhagat, as an exponent of Vaishnav poetry. He is especially revered in Gujarati literature, where he is acclaimed as Adi Kavi, means first among poets. What was sent as wedding gift by Mahatma Gandhi to British Queen Elizabeth II on the eve of her marriage? So options are his autobiography, good wishes message, khadi handkerchief, or nothing. So right answer is khadi handkerchief. Where was Mahatma Gandhi's headquarters prior to establishment of Sabarmati Ashram? So options are Wardha, Amravati, Khorchav, or Kheda. So right answer is Khorchav. The Khorchav Ashram was the first ashram in India organized by Mohandas Gandhi, the leader of Indian independence movement, and was gifted to him by his friend Barrister Jivanlal Desai. Founded in May 1915, Gandhi's Khorchav Ashram was located near city of Ahmedabad in the state of Gujarat. The next question is, which of the following newspaper was not published by Mahatma Gandhi? Options are Navjeevan, Harijan, Bande Matram, or Young India. So C. Bande Matram was not published by Mahatma Gandhi. Other important questions which has been asked in Naib Tahsildar Prelim 2012. So first question is, who was instrumental in establishing Sabarmati Ashram of Mahatma Gandhi by providing Rs 1.50 lakh in year 1921 AD? So answer is Dr. Pranjivan Das Mehta. Next question is, which format Hind Swaraj was written by Mahatma Gandhi? So it is written as a dialogue between editor and reader. Basically, Hind Swaraj happens to be a discourse on civilization. What was the greatest achievement of modern civilization according to Mahatma Gandhi? So, invention of weapons of mass destructions. But caption was given to first American edition of Hind Swaraj published in 1924. So answer is Sermon on the Sea. Next question is, what was the reaction of Mahatma Gandhi after going through R.C. Datta's monumental work, Economic History of India? So his eyes were moist with the tears when he passed from R.C. Datta's monumental work, Economic History of India. Which mental state is conducive for the renunciation of anything according to Mahatma Gandhi? So answer is after finding better alternative to desired things. Next question is, when Winston Churchill did dub Mahatma Gandhi half-necked fakir of India, giving vent to his intense disliking for Mahatma Gandhi. During his Dandi March, Winston Churchill called Mahatma Gandhi as half-necked fakir. About which book Mahatma Gandhi has commented that it was written with blood and tears. So unto this last, Mahatma Gandhi commented about this, that this book had been written with blood and tears. So next question is, rare personalities like Mahatma Gandhi arrived rarely on this earth for the weal of humanity and motherland. Who eulogized Mahatma Gandhi in these terms? Dr. Pranjivan Das Mehta eulogized that this quote, whatever has been written here. So between 1936 and 1945, Mahatma Gandhi often stayed at Manohar Villa whenever he visited Shimla. This mention belongs to Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, who was first Health Minister of independent India. You can follow me on Facebook as www for facebook.com/kamlesh.bharadwaj.study. And thanks for watching. Do not forget to like the video and do subscribe our YouTube channel, that is Study Point.